Today we talk little about the Meizu Pro 7. Meizu's rumored Pro 7 flagship smartphone, which was spotted on Antutu benchmark few days back, have appeared in image renders spotted online. The device, which is said to feature Samsung's Exynos 8890 chipset, is displayed on the interactive community section of Meizu's forums. One notable feature of the expected flagship revealed on the leaked images is that it would have a curved display screen that extends to the sides. There is an oval-shaped physical home button as well, just under the display screen. The Meizu Pro 7 renders also reveal a dual camera setup, which is visible at the back of the flagship. There's a large primary camera, and just underneath is the supporting camera, which perhaps should provide depth of field only. There's also the Meizu exclusive ring flash just under the second camera. Also visible at the back are antenna lines both at the top and bottom edges. The name of the device is also clearly written at the rear as Pro 7, shown also to be designed by Meizu in China. According to the antutu records, the device sports a 5.5-inch display, which is rumored to have a resolution of 2560 x 1440 pixels. In other aspects, the Meizu Pro 7 is said to run on Android 6.0 Marshmallow from the go, cram 4GB RAM and 32GB of internal storage space under its hood. The flagship phone also features a 12MP rear camera and a 5MP front-facing camera. The pixel size of the second camera at the back is unknown at this point in time. That's all for now. For more news, stay tuned. If you like the video, like and subscribe for more. Bye.